Whoa, waiting Choco here. Yeah, Choco's having fun. We're on our walk. We're at our favorite historical church here in Oakville. Yeah, we seen rabbits. There's one over there. There's a couple. There's a few more. Whoa, look at all those bunnies, Choco. Look at all those bunnies. Not enough coyotes around. Yeah. Well, Choco's just taking it in. He knows they're there. We just like leave it, Choco. Just leave them be. Yeah, this is kind of one of our spots just to stop after we've done a little bit of a walk. Yeah, where did they go? Whoa, there. Oh my goodness. I think they're in play mode, eh, Choco? I think they're in play mode. And they're putting on a show for Choco. Yeah, they are. Oh, I don't know. What do you think of all that, Choco? Look how good Choco's being. Look how good. He's just taking it in. Beautiful day today, eh, Choco? It's a beautiful day. Yes. So nice to have spots like this. Yeah, we've been up in the gazebo. I believe this is well over 100 years old. These grounds right here. Well, let's take a break and we'll finish up our walk. See what Mr. Rabbit is up to. He's still there. He's still there. There he is. There he is. Okay, Choco.